Next is creating symbols and instances. So this is one of the most important feature of Animate, is that it allows creating a graphic object once and then reuses the graphic object throughout the document. So this can be done by defining the object as symbols. So let us do. What is a symbol? A symbol is any graphic object, movie or a button stored in the library. A symbol can be reused again and again in the movie. Using symbols reduces the file size, which in turn will let your animation to download faster. When you create a symbol, it automatically becomes a part of the library. When you drag the symbol from the library on the stage, a copy of the symbol gets created. This copy of the symbol is called an instance of the symbol. An instance can differ from its symbol in color or size, but making changes to the symbol updates its all instances, but making changes in an instance of a symbol updates only that instance, that copy, and does not affect other copies of that symbol. So how we create a symbol? The steps we do is, the first step is select an existing object on the stage. So let us select an object on the stage, already selected. Select modify menu. Here is a modify menu. Convert to symbol. This option, click on. This convert to symbol dialog box comes. Name the symbol, say I am naming it heart. Select an appropriate type. So it's a graphic. Select is that graphic. This is a graphic, not a movie clip. And click on this OK button. The symbol is added to the library. Now, how to open the library? Click on this window menu, library option. Here you can see that item is stored as the name heart in the library. Now, creating and modifying instances of a symbol. To create an instance of a symbol, drag the symbol from the library to the stage. We can modify the properties of the instances, such as the tint, the transparency, or the brightness, which will not affect the symbol. So modify the properties of the instances, follow the given steps. First step is select the instance on the stage and hide also all the layers. So we are only showing this layer number 9, suppose. Now we drag the symbol, select the instance of the stage. Okay. Now on the stage also you have to select it. This instance on the stage is selected. Now if the properties of the inspector is not displaying, then we have to display in the properties panel, Windows properties, to display the property inspector. Windows and the properties. This is the property inspector displaying of this instance of the symbol heart. From one of the options in the style, you can change it. Changing the different types of styles of this instance of that symbol. Go to this color effect, styles option, brightness. Here you can increase or decrease the brightness as you wish. Next style is the tint. So tint is used to change the color of the instance and mix colors, different types of colors. So red, green, this tint we can increase and decrease. Mixture, change the color tone of the object. Okay, this is for tint. And this alpha. Alpha will help you to change the transparency of the instance, make it more transparent or more darker as you wish. The left side will make more transparent, and you drag the slider on the right side, it will much more darker. To change the properties of the instances, that doesn't mean it will change the actual file in the library. See, in the library, the actual object, the actual symbol which you have created is unchanged. So let's now start creating animations. In Animate, there are two types of animation. One is frame by frame animation, and the next one is tweened animation. So frame by frame animation is a form of animation where you change the contents every frame for creating an animation. And frame by frame animation is best suited for creating complex animation. Now let's see the following example. Let's follow this step. The first step is you have to select the text tool. So select the text tool. You can choose the font size, style, color here from here, and click and drag and create a box and write the text. First, say I am writing here Adobe Animate CC 2015. Okay, so this text, let's make it at the center of the stage, horizontally and vertically. Now we'll change the color. That color change animation will do. So first, for doing that, you have to convert it into a symbol. For convert it into a symbol, you can press F8, the function key of your keyboard. Now say I'm writing the name as text 1. The type of the will be graphic and click OK. So it has been done here. See, in the library it is being added. Now we will be changing the different style effect of the symbols. We have to go to the next frame. Suppose I am going to say frame number 5. In this frame number 5, you have to insert a keyframe. How you insert? Click on the insert option, go to timeline and keyframe. So I have inserted a keyframe here in frame number 5. We have to change the color of the text of the symbol by selecting the from the property inspector the tint option. Select the tint option. Now let us change the color. So first make it red. Make the color red. So this is the red color which we will give as our first color. And similarly, we have to add few more frames, keyframes. Timeline to frame number 10. Now again add a keyframe. Again select the text. Say let's make it green. Again change it to the next keyframe. Again insert another keyframe here. Again change the color. Say blue. Again we suppose change it to frame number 20. Again insert a keyframe. Insert another keyframe. Again change the color. Suppose let's make it little bit yellowish. Few keyframes and change the color. Now again move to the first keyframe. I can play this by clicking on the control menu, play option, or you can press the enter key of the keyboard. As you do, you'll see that this animation, this frame by frame animation, changing the color of the text is done.